Hey, what's going on, everybody? Omkar Singh on this side. Welcome to this video. And sorry, I know I'm looking messy because it's late night here. But I got to record this video for you guys because it's something which can really going to help you. So, as the title suggests, I'm going to share with you how you can make up to $100 per day. Actually, more than $100 per day. Everything I'm going to share with you, like what I'm doing, how you can do it the same. There's no paid training you have to buy. I know most of you guys don't have money to buy paid training. So now this channel, as I told you in my previous channel, if you have watched it, I'm going to convert this channel on a niche specific. Okay, this channel will be niche specific. So what I'm going to share with you today, this channel will always talk about that only. Okay, so this channel will always be the training you need. Okay, so what I'm going to tell, what I'm doing is it's called drop shipping Shopify. If you know about it, that's great. If you don't know about it, don't worry. I'm going to tell you everything. What is Shopify? What is drop shipping? How you can get benefit from it, and why it is something you need to get started. Get start from now only. All right. So don't worry, guys. I got you. So actually, I have created a new store. All right, it's a drop shipping site. It is actually a e-commerce. So I created a new store and for you guys, and I wanted to share some results with you. Like I have already started making $100 per day as the title says. I'm going to share with you my results first here in my PC, and then I'm going to share with you what is actually I'm doing and how you can get your hands on it, right? So without wasting any more time, let me just take you to my computer and I will show you some of my results right now. That I have created a brand new Shopify account just 2 days back, and this is our current today's results. Okay, today only we have run a campaign, we ran an ad, and we have invested around $10 on this ad, and we have already made $139, which is our profit. Okay, which is completely profit. We can see we are already in profit, and I want to show that you can see there's one person that's still seeing our ad. Maybe he will become our customer and he will buy something, who knows, right? So this is completely new account, and before you go ahead and ask me who is this Rakesh, because my name is Omkar, right? Rakesh is my younger brother, and he was actually planning to start a new dropship e-commerce. So I thought I will going to use his account to show you some results. Okay, that this thing works, right? So we have invested $10 on this ad, and we have already made $139. And I want to show you that this is a brand new account. So I am on my this month tab, and you can see that we haven't run any ad uh, past days because the we have created this account on 16th of May, and we have added some product. We have built our site. We took 2 days complete, and then we ran the ad, and you can see we are already on the profit. Right, this is a brand new account. Also, I want to show you the orders here. Of course, I'm going to hide the customer names here, but you can see there is only 3 orders, right? That's because it's a brand new account, right? So I want to show you that this thing works, right? This thing works. Now, how you guys can do it? Let me just quickly first explain you that what is drop shipping, how we are doing, what we are actually doing, what is our business, right? So let me just take you to a whiteboard, our good old whiteboard here, right? Guys, so let me quickly explain you what is drop shipping here, right? So drop shipping is what we are doing. I'm doing to make this $100 per day, and you can believe me, guys. $100 is not the big thing. You can make a lot of income. There's lots of people out there who are making tons of money every single day just using drop shipping by just doing drop shipping. So if you don't know what is drop shipping, let me just quickly tell you. So what we are actually doing is that we are creating an e-commerce site just like an Amazon. Hope you guys know about what Amazon. Everyone knows about it, I know. So we are creating a website like Amazon e-commerce site like this. Just take an example like this is our website. This is our store. This is our online store, and what we are doing is that we are using a dropship like dropship supplier like most of the people no, not most of the people, almost every drop shipper is using AliExpress. So I'm going to tell you, show you AliExpress in a minute, but let me just explain you first. So just, this is AliExpress drop shipping supplier. They are our suppliers. So what we are doing, we are just taking their products, like they have some products here, and like this is some kind of shoes, and this is some kind of t-shirt. Okay, whatever we wanted to sell in our store, what we are doing, we are just taking their product, and we are listing their product on our store. Okay, so like we have listed the shoes here. If we find a supplier in AliExpress, it is AliExpress is actually kind of directory which has lots of suppliers who provide different products, right? So like we decided to sell this shoes and this T-shirt here. So we have the listed this product on our store. All right, so let's say what we are actually doing is that let's say this supplier is selling this shoes for $2, right? No one get shoes for $2, you must be asking me, right? But just take it as an example, right? Okay, so let's say this shoes is for $2 and this t-shirt is for $5. But you know that in real, these products sells in very high rate, right? So what you will do, you will going to list their product on your site, and you will mark up their price. Like they are selling the shoes for $2, but you are going to sell it for, let's say, $10, right? Okay, and the t-shirt, you are going to sell t-shirt for, let's say, $15. Okay, it's not that expensive. Okay, so what you're doing, you took the product from AliExpress and you listed that on your site. Now what you are going to do, you are going to market this. Okay, you will market it. Let's say you market it on Facebook. There's Instagram influencers. There's Google AdWords. There's lots of ways to market your e-commerce store. All right, and believe me, guys, it is much easier to sell these shoes, this T-shirt, these products, because than affiliate marketing, which is specifically related to make money online, which we used to do in our channel, right? It is much easier to sell this stuff. And so we will going to market it, and let's say we get some customer. All right, we got some customer who we got a customer who is interested in shoes. So what we are going to do, they will going to pay us our $10. Okay, they're going to pay us $10. What we are going to do, we are going to send the customer's detail to the supplier who is selling the shoes for $2. Okay, and we will pay them $2, and what they will going to do, the supplier will ship the product to the customer. Okay, so here what is happening is that we don't have to uh, hold an inventory. We don't you don't need warehouse. You just need to list their product on your store and mark up the product. Okay, and sell it. Okay, and whenever you get a customer, you just have to collect their money, and send the customer detail to your supplier, and they will going to ship all the product, everything, to your customer. All right, so for this example, like someone brought shoes for $10, and you pay the dropship, uh, what we call it, oh, wholesale price of $2 to the supplier, and you just earn $8 here, right? So you just made $8 here by just promoting someone else's product. All right, and you don't have to. And again, it's super simple. You can create this kind of website easily. It will not take more than 1 hour to set up a complete brand new convertible and sexy looking store for yourself. All right, it's super simple. I'm going to share that with you, how I'm going to walk you through that on it. Don't worry. All right, So that's how the drop shipping works. So let me just quickly show you how AliExpress look. Okay, so this is AliExpress, guys. Okay, it is a sister website of Alibaba. You might know, you might don't know about AliExpress, but you might know about Alibaba. But Alibaba is more about bulk purchases, but AliExpress it is like an Amazon. You can buy anything from here. Yeah, and it is a China-based company. If you know about Alibaba, you know that it's a China-based company. But everyone is using AliExpress to dropship because their product quality is good, their product margin is good. So that they are selling. Uh, let's take an example of this watch. They're selling it for $5. We can easily sell this watch for 19.99, all right? And you can just pay them the $5, and you just earn around $14 here, right? So that's how it works. And if we talk about how you can make yourself a store, we are going to use Shopify here. And that's what I am using. That's what everyone else is using out there. It is great. So they have great service, and it is super simple to create in an e-commerce website using Shopify. All right. I'm going to actually walk you through how you can make yourself a Shopify store. Let me know if you wanted to get that training. Okay, I would love to help you guys with that. Just comment me below. Let me know that if you are interested, if you are interested about it, and you wanted to do it, all right? And they are all, you see, they are also giving 14 days trial. Actually, I've given you the link in the description. You can use that link in the description to get yourself a 14 days trial for free. They will not going to ask you credit card to sign up, right? So that's how it works, guys. This is drop shipping, and this is what I'm doing. I'm doing it for. I'm actually doing it for a while, and I'm making a lot of money from it. And I just created a new store, and I thought I should share it with you guys. I don't want it to hide it anymore. And yeah, guys, here it is. So in the next video, I want to know that if you wanted a tutorial on how you can get yourself a online store using Shopify. If you want tutorial on that, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to jump on the videos about how you can select the best selling products from AliExpress, how you can market it, different ways to market it, there's different strategies. I'm going to share everything with you for free. All right. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because this channel is really going to help you a lot in making lots of money um, for yourself and your family. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, show your love, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button so that you can see my face again. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something from it. I love you guys. I love recording videos for you guys, and I know that I'm going to record a video for you soon again, right? So that's it for this video, guys. If you wanted to register yourself on Shopify, you can use the link below in the description section. So that's it, guys. I will see you on another video. Have a good one. Peace.